All right, so I got a content day down in Bowling Green, Kentucky, which is about an hour away from where I live. I'm about to go film a realtor, do some training. She's also going to do some interview style videos with the team leader down there in Bowling Green. Some of what I'm going to film is going to be landscape format. Some is going to be portrait or vertical video for the TikToks and the reels and whatever else. The equipment that I'm bringing with me is the Sony A7siii. That's what I love to film most of my videos on. A7siii to film, and I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 right now, along with the microphone that goes along with it. But for my A7siii, not only am I putting the Deity microphone on top of it, I'm also bringing along one of my Rode Wireless Go 2s so that they could use that as the thing that they do the interview for their vertical video, for the TikTok video interview style stuff. Go ahead.
Justin, what did 2023 look like for your team?
Well, actually, I would tell you we maintained our volume year over year. Usually we see, like I said, an increase. We were maintaining for the most part, maybe up a little bit, where most teams and agents actually went down. In fact, the market overall where I work and
A partner to have a good conversation and know that you're not always going to win, and then sometimes you're going to, that's partnership. Lacey?
So when is I've always wanted to own a pocket, always. But I'm not at a point where I can afford to even buy one.
I didn't buy anything until my second year in.
Okay, so that's what I was really asking. When is a good time to get started, financially? Where do I need to be before I
You
get
be
started?
banking that commission money you're making right now. And then
What do you mean? Just put it in the bank?
put some back.
put some back.
I mean, I have no choice. I live with my dad.
I'm telling you.
You got an easy way to put it back.
I don't know. I
That's some money. In your hometown, sounds like you don't have a lot of rentals. You're probably only going to need $20,000. Get $20,000. As soon as you get $20,000, go buy your first rental.
I just now got back into the vehicle from doing all that filming. I think I was there from 11:30 to maybe 2 p.m. Did the interviews, did the B-roll of the college campus stuff. Did some widescreen long-form training videos. I actually used my Osmo Pocket 3 for some of that. The one cool thing that I love about this Osmo Pocket 3 is that via the Bluetooth, via the app, I can use my iPhone to control the camera. So that was really cool. I absolutely love this Osmo Pocket 3. I'm not even sponsored to say that, but I'm trying to use this more and more as a tool to help create the content, aka these YouTube videos that you're watching. Using it as a tool to help create these YouTube videos so that you can kind of see what gear that I use, maybe how I do what I do whenever I go capture whatever it is I'm supposed to capture on these gigs. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and like this video because that helps. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've got a whole lot more videos that I'm going to be recording on a regular basis and pumping out. That way y'all can learn a little bit about what I do, what gear I bring, how I shoot. Y'all can get behind the mindset of what it is that I'm doing whenever I'm gathering content, whether it's doing an engagement session or doing client work, photography or videography, maybe a little bit of post editing back there. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll catch you on the next one.